Do you want to see the new video formats on the market today? The following video will guide you to install the program KMPlayer. This program enables you to watch movies and listen to music formats available today. In the description area below this video, find the download link. Visit our website easyyork.com for more informative content. Consider subscribing to Easy York on YouTube by clicking the red subscribe button below this video tutorial. Don't forget to click the bell icon, for this will notify you when we upload a new video. KMPlayer is the program which supports watching popular videos and audios today. This software can read most latest audio and image formats. In addition, this software is totally free and updates automatically. The program also supports watching TV online. When the file download process completes, you open up the file to install. In my case, the file is zipped, so right-click to extract. Be careful in extracting, for some installation file may be more than just one. So ensure you select Extract to KMPlayer. This option, extracted files, will be in a folder. I will open the new folder and look for a file ending with .exe. I will right-click on it and choose Install as an administrator. A new window will appear informing you that you are installing KMPlayer software on your computer. A window appears, asking you to choose the language settings for the software KMPlayer. Click OK to go to the next section. Click Next. After pressing Next, the system will switch to the new window. This window is about the user agreement license. After reading carefully, click I agree. Next, the system will go through the custom parameter program segment. For example, custom code video plugin. You can just leave them to default, unless you know what you are doing. Once customization is complete, click Next to proceed with the installation. After clicking Next, the system will require you to select the folder to install KMPlayer. This folder is also known as installation folder or destination folder. You can always change the folder by clicking Browse. But I will leave mine to default and click Next to go to the new window. After clicking Next, the system will automatically extract and install the software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, KMPlayer will notify you with a new window. To complete the installation process, you press Finish. The KMPlayer now is installed on your machine. This is the program interface after installation. The player will request to set it as default. I'm going to do just that. Close the browser window. Using the Windows dialog box, I will set the KMPlayer as my main media player. The KMPlayer is now the default. Let me drop a video on the KMPlayer and see how it performs. I will use some of my video tutorials. The video quality is good.
Hello. Welcome back to another tutorial.
The sound is good too. The player has tunes and tunes of options and settings. If this video was helpful, feel free to subscribe, comment, like and share. Don't forget to click the bell icon, for this will notify you when we upload a new video. By subscribing, you encourage us to create more videos. Have a nice time.